Hey everyone, I'm Karan from Enable. Welcome back to the official video tutorial series on AbleSet. We've got AbleSet up and running, now let's get to work and start building a set list. So here's how it works. AbleSet looks at your Ableton Live session and reads the locators in arrangement view. Every locator will automatically appear as its own song in AbleSet. To add a new song, I'm going to insert a locator at an empty spot in my Ableton Live session, and I'll name the locator according to my song's name. Next up, I'll add a tempo automation to match my song's tempo. Now, AbleSet recognizes this locator as the start of the song, so that's where I will drop my backing track stems. I'll place another locator at the end of my stems, and this time I'll name it Song End in all caps. This will allow AbleSet to calculate the song's length and tell it when to jump to the next song. It's generally best to place all your locators at the start of a bar for AbleSet to work correctly. Now, just go ahead and repeat this process for the rest of your songs, and AbleSet will build your set list as you go. Okay, great. So I've got all my songs set up, and you can see if I now click on a song over here in AbleSet, it will jump to that locator in my Ableton Live session. I'm just going to drag this window to cover up the full screen, so that's what we can focus on. And now I can press play with this button here in AbleSet, or use the space bar like I'm used to from any other DAWs.
I lost myself and found.
Once the playhead reaches the end of the song, AbleSet will automatically jump to the next song in the set list and continue playing it from there. By default, AbleSet will set the song order to match the one you've set up in your timeline in Ableton Live, but you can obviously modify it. To do this, click the Setlist Edit button down here, and then you can just drag the songs around as you need to. Save your changes with the Save button down here, and you've got your new song order. In this way, you can play different set lists without ever needing to change anything in your Ableton Live session. AbleSet just jumps the playhead to where you need it to be. Your setlist is saved with your live set, so whenever you reopen it, the setlist will recall. Now, we already saw that AbleSet will continue playing the next song as soon as the current one ends. You might not always want this though. For instance, if you'd like to talk to the audience between songs. That's why you can change this behavior on a per song basis. This is also done in the setlist editing mode, so I'll go back into it down here. And then I can click the three-dot menu next to a song and select the Stop After Song option. You'll see that this little black bar appears down here indicating that after playing this song, playback will stop. If you've got this activated, you can also decide whether the playhead should stay at the end of the song or already jump to the next one. For most use cases, we'd recommend to have it jump so you don't have to cue the next song by hand, but it might be useful to you to have it stay in certain scenarios. Okay, cool. Now you've got the basic toolkit to build and modify a setlist. In the next video, we'll dive a bit deeper into more advanced setlist workflows. If you'd like to pick up an AbleSet license, head over to ableset.com and check out Enable for more tips on building playback sessions. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.